Halo guys, sekarang kita lagi ada di Taman Kota Kediri. Ini sama Mama Dedit. Sama Dedit, mana dia? Nanti
Everybody, yeah, it's a party. Change the world, a party with the hottest girls. I'm looking for a model chick about 5'10" with her hair and curls, and a body like Beyonce to put it on me while she's shaking it right, making me sweat every step of the way. So I know where I'll be by the end of the day.
Let's go.
Scraping a plate in the first class cycles into my hot club. I'm like royalty. She's spoiling me up in Central Pay to keep boiling me. Cause the party too hot up in MIA, but we partying every day, baby. Baby, partying every day. Come to the party, fiesta. This night will last forever. Siempre, so come on. Come on. We're just gonna call it fiesta. Let's go. Looking for somebody special tonight, cause I swear shorties be eating me up. My life is a party, so tonight we gon' party and die on the dance floor. I wake up tomorrow in Vegas, cause baby that's just what I asked for. See, I'm a working man with a working plan, and it's working, baby. I went from nowhere to somewhere in just 1 year, and everyone thought I was crazy. But now we're in Giza, in Ibiza, in Miami and Rio. And we partying all through the night, cause we living our life, cause baby we here, y'all.
Dari sininya.
Sekarang giliran Mama mencoba. To the party, but tonight we just gonna call it fiesta.